Hey guys, this is Gabriel from MarineMax in St. Pete, and today we're on one of my favorite boats from Boston Whaler, the 35 Realm. I'm going to just show you some particular things about this boat here. This one has the black piping for the hardtop. Really makes the color pop. If you look behind us, we have the triple 300s engine package for this boat. In front of it, substantial seating that comes down. Dive ladder as well to go into the beefy side door here. Live well, of course, in the back. The 350 Realm is really the SUV of boats, so you can really do anything with this boat. This one's seatkeeper assisted. You also have a nice grill back here, the seat that folds forward or aft. We'll make our way up here to the cockpit area. This is the swivel seat from Whaler, so this will swivel all the way around, so you can really have a nice area here to entertain. Table that goes in between the seats here. Really nice appointed helm as well. Twin Simrad screens, joystick of course, premium audio package on this boat. And we make our way forward here to the best seat in the house. So triple seats here. You have seats that you can face aft as well. Just a great entertaining space. Bolsters throughout the entire boat too if you wanted to fish, really. But just a beautiful boat, and we'll make our way inside so you can see the interior accommodations. So we're inside the 350 Realm here. As you see, it has a spacious accommodation for, entertaining guests, and also really versatile seating arrangement here. This actually folds into a bed so that you can actually spend the night on this boat as a couple. Also behind you is the head for the boat. Very spacious head. Thank you guys for checking out this 350 Realm with us. Again, my name is Gabriel Gonzalez. This is MarineMax in St. Pete. Give us a call if you got any more questions.